Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Balenciaga white Paris City sandals. I ordered it online a couple weeks ago and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. It's my first piece of Balenciaga footwear, so to speak. So if you guys are looking at getting a pair, I got it from Essence, which is the retailer here in Canada. It's on sale too. I'll tell you guys prices in the details. I can't remember off the top of my head, but anyways, here is the box. So these retail for about, I want to say $600 to $700, but they were on a heavy discount for about 250 plus tax, so I got a really good deal on these, so I just had to pick them up. We'll get right into it. So the packaging, you have the Balenciaga logo embroidered, and then you got some tags out here, if you can see that. Made in Italy. Went to size 42, which is a size 9 in the States. So let's open it. It's got the gray packaging to go with the actual box. So each sandal comes with their own personal bag. So this one is one of the sandals. It says Balenciaga embroidered on the bag. And then another one here, same thing, same deal, Balenciaga on the side. As for, there's nothing much else, no documentation. There's a little packet here to keep the thing clean. But let's see what we got here. So this is the left sandal, right here. It says Balenciaga Paris. So Paris is pretty big, and then you have Balenciaga embroidered at the bottom. Here's the one on the right. Balenciaga Paris. Just based off like what I'm feeling here, like it's a really soft material. It's a lot like the Adidas sneakers. Same deal, Balenciaga on the bottom. But other than that, the thing with white sandals, they tend to get dirty really quick, so to speak. So you might want to watch how you kind of wear them. Like white, just in general, gets dirty. But anyways, I'll let you guys decide in the comments what you want to see next. What it says Poolman on the top, just standard swimming pool sandals. Alright guys, like and subscribe. Always do appreciate your feedback, and I want to see like what else you guys want to see from the channel, and have a nice day.